Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, you will want to open up your settings application. From here, scroll all the way down to System, and then swipe down again, and you will find Reset Options, and then Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will then present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. Now, if you see anything in here, maybe things like music or photos that you'd like to preserve, make a copy of it before you actually go through with the resetting of the device. Otherwise, this data is deleted and this cannot be undone. Now, assuming you've already created a backup, you just don't want to, you can get back here and then select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen like, you do need to confirm it. And once you do so, we can select Erase All Data for the second time, which will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.